You can now put your workflows to sleep on BuildShip for days, weeks, months, or years. In this hot tip, I will show you how to do that. So this is a lead follow-up email that we're sending to people right when we qualify them as a high potential lead. The problem is that we're sending it to them right after we get the trigger. We want to wait for a little while so that they have some time to use the tool and can reach out to us if they have any questions. This workflow takes as input an email and the name of the person from the lead qualifier workflow we have here, and it sends an email to that person from my BuildShip email address. What we'll do now is we'll add a DeepSleep node in between when the workflow is triggered and sending the email. And we can set the unit to this for weeks, hours, even years. Let's say we want to wait 10 hours before we send the email. When we test out the workflow, we can come up here to test. And when we test it, it doesn't actually wait the 10 hours, thankfully, and the email is sent successfully. But what if we want to add a dynamic amount of time? So let's add a JSON generator. You just need to add your OpenAI key for something like this. Let's call this an executive assistant. And let's ask, what is the appropriate amount of time to wait? And then here in schema, and we'll edit the schema to be hours and make sure that the type is a number. Now we can test this node, and it gives us 24 hours. Here we can click Update Output Schema so that it tells us which fields are going to be given by the JSON generator. Now here in DeepSleep, let's edit the variable JSON generator hours, and this will be the number of hours that we wait. Let's test the whole flow. It looks like the email was sent. So that's how you can add a DeepSleep node as a time capsule in any BuildShip workflow. Happy building.